Hello friends from around the world. Chinaplas 2024 is about to begin in April. The exhibition has returned to Shanghai after 6 years, and YIZUMI will attend this prestigious event. YIZUMI will display injection molding machines and solutions, including electric, medical, vertical, two-platen and high-speed packaging injection molding machines, which effectively meets the needs of industries such as medical, NEV, packaging, 3C electronics, special materials, etc. During Chinaplas 2024, the Intelligent Workshop in China Wujiang factory will open for the first time. We wish you to visit for friendly exchange. In future, YIZUMI will focus on moving towards the three key directions of intelligent and efficient, global operation, and green development, while adhering to the tagline of Think Tech Forward. We look forward to having win-win development opportunities with global customers through better solutions and services. From April 23rd to 26th, we invite you to visit our booth in Shanghai. YIZUMI Think Tech Forward.